how to make friends, users I follow, and followers can join me in experiences on Roblox mobile. And hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make uh, my friends and users I follow and my followers can join me in experiences on Roblox mobile. And then let's go to Roblox and then click these 3 points in the bottom corner and go down, click settings here and then click privacy. And now just go down until you find this one, who can join me in experiences. Click on it and then click this one here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.